Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the AC cabin filter on a 2022 Toyota Corolla. You're going to find it located behind the passenger side glove box. Here's the part number for the AC cabin filter. The first step is to open the glove box here. You're going to need to undo this clip. You just squeeze the center part here and here to release the dampener. Once you release the dampener, this will no longer be attached to it. And on the glove box, you're going to squeeze on the left side and the right side at the same time, and you're trying to undo the clip here and undo the clip on this side. Once it detaches from the hooks, you're going to be able to grab the whole glove box and pull down out from the, you have two more clips here and two more over here, and the whole glove box will come off. Now once you remove the glove box, on the inside you're going to find this little cover, and this cover shows that it says up right here. That's just giving you the orientation of the filter and which way to place it. That's not airflow direction. That's just filter placement. When we get to the filter, there'll be another up arrow, so you just match those two together. You're going to squeeze the tab on this side, just like this, and over here you're going to slide it out. Then you'll see the filter cartridge with the up arrow as well. Again, this does not indicate airflow. This only indicates the placement of the filter cartridge. And then you can just pull it off. And you see here, this also shows you the up arrows. So all the up arrows just need to be placed in the same position. So here's the new filter. You can see the up arrow here and the words saying up. Put those in here, and you're just gonna push this in a little bit so it matches, so it goes inside the filter cartridge. And now we're just going to reinstall everything in the reverse order. Before you install the cartridge, check inside. Make sure you don't have any leaves, debris, or anything that may have gotten past the filter. Just make sure everything's nice and clear in here. And you can install the filter just like that. Filter cover goes in on the left side first into these anchors, and then you're going to push in over here, squeeze in and push till you hear the click. And now when we reinstall the glove box, just make sure you match up the pins here, the locking tabs here, and then you fold it on up. So match them up here. You're gonna push in until you hear a click. And then you're gonna fold up. Once again, you're gonna squeeze in on both sides of the glove box to get past that point, and when you'll see it will lock in place. Now the glove box dampener, you're going to raise the glove box a little bit and just clip it back into place, just like that. And then you can give it a quick test to make sure it's working properly. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, or if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel and click right here in the top left corner for more videos on the 2022 Toyota Corolla. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.